How to add profile picture frame on Facebook. Want to make your Facebook profile stand out? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture frame on Facebook. It's super easy and adds a fun touch to your profile, so let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on your profile picture at the top of your Facebook home screen. Just tap on your profile picture. Here you can find three options. Simply tap on add frames. Now you'll find various options of frames. You can browse through popular frames or use the search bar at the top to find a specific one. Just look at all the frames and simply tap on the frame that you want to like or that you want to put. Once you're happy with how your frames look, simply tap on save. And now your profile picture will now be updated with the frame you chose. And that's it. That's how you can simply choose or put a profile frame on your profile picture on Facebook.